invested just 100,000 in each of these Nigerian stocks at the start of 2025, you do be smiling to the bank by now. And no, I'm not talking about theory or guesswork. This is actual performance data for the first 6 months of 2025. Yet, many Nigerians still believe that the Nigerian stock market is not worth it. Meanwhile, it's been making people, including my clients, some of our community members, millions this year alone. The interesting thing is, despite inflation, global uncertainty with Trump and his trade wars up and down, many Nigerian stocks have skyrocketed, quietly making smart investors a lot of money. And some of you see the door on top of this opportunity. Not anymore, not under my watch. In this video, we're going to look through the top 10 performing Nigerian stocks so far in 2025 and show you exactly how 100k invested in each of them would have been worth. No fluff, just numbers, proof, and how we are going to be key in come August 2nd. More on that later. So let me share my screen and let's look at the best stocks of the year so far. Oh, if you're just listening for the first time, I'm Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered accountant, a chartered stockbroker, a licensed dealer in the Nigerian stock market. But most importantly, the girl that is about to get you into the Nigerian stock market, because that is where it's happening right now. Okay, let's do this. So starting from the 10th one, we have Square. Square performed 161.65% in the first 6 months of the year. If you have invested 100,000 in Square, that is 261,650 at the moment. The 9th one is Champion Breweries, which performed 162%. That means your 100,000 is now 262,000 naira in just 6 months. Okay, the third one is Presco. So this year, Presco has done 168%. You know, Presco is an agri company, they're palm oil mostly. So your 100,000 should be 268,000 naira. Now, this is fitting on number 4, which has done 183%. And 100,000 is now worth 283,000. We have the 5th one, Pharmaceutical, Nemet, which has performed 885% in the first 6 months of the year, giving you 285,000 from 100,000 naira invested. Now, on number 6, we have Smart Products Nigeria. This one has done complete 200%. So your 100,000 naira is now worth 300,000. The next one on the list, Vitafoam. This one performed 222%, which means that your 100,000 is now worth 322,000. On number 8, we have the Initiate PLC. This one did 230%, which means your 100,000 is now worth 330,000. And then on number 9 is Honeywell Flour Mills. This did 241%. Your 100k is now 341,000. Hey! Who is ready to see the champion, the conqueror? Okay, so this one, I don't know, you probably have not heard of it before. And that's the crazy part. This is a company many people don't even look at. Okay, let's come back and see the number 1. And that is Better Glass. Jennifer. Okay, Better Glass did 415% in the first 6 months of the year. So your 100k there is now 515,000. Imagine that is 1 million. Imagine that is 10 million. Imagine that, or like some client did, they can put 100 million in one stock and it's giving you 415% in just 6 months. Hey, God. So the thing is that if you're watching this and you're realizing that you've been missing out, you still have like 5-6 months left in the year. On August 2nd, I'm hosting a practical workshop where I will be handholding you through becoming an investor, identifying dividend-paying stock and fast-rising stocks, and setting up your account to start earning. See, one thing you must know is that stock investing comes with some risk. Hence, it's not something you just dive into like that without adequate knowledge. So in this this workshop, this charter stockbroker got here. Aside from guiding you, will be getting a recommended list of great stock that I believe will do well. If you were in our January year workshop, after this video, go and check that list I gave you, the stock I gave you then. Go and check their performance. My dear, if you invested in them back then, hey, you must be a rich, happy investor right now. Anyway, you might feel like, oh, have I missed out? Should I go and buy this one that is high? No. On August 2nd, another American wonder is going to happen. I'm going to leave the link on the description, or better still, comment investor, and I will send you the link to sign up and join us to this workshop. It's only 9,500. You don't even reach 10,000. Just let me know if you are interested, because I would really love to have you in the workshop. Please, so you see, this stock is not investment advice, so it's me sharing the top 10 performing stock. If you're looking for stock to invest, don't worry, I'm going to give you that in the workshop. Comment investor, and I'm going to share the link to register for the workshop.